Morning.
Morning.
We just woke up. It's about 7 o'clock.
7:30.
Yeah. We're about to go into town and go to Kai and Co and get some food.
Today so we're gonna go to CI to see if we can get some strepsils.
Yeah. If they have them.
Yeah, I don't know if they have any.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
Anyway. Show you what we get because we're going to try something other than the breakfast burrito today. Yeah. But yeah. Now he's got the
Also BLT wrap. It's got halloumi, got some egg, got some bacon, there's some salad.
onion.
It actually looks really good.
It actually does look. And I've got the bagel, which also looks incredible. It's got a hash brown. It's got the halloumi. Yeah. It's got the. Yeah, looks very good.
Kai and Co.
Kai and Co. Again, very good. Yeah, we'll let you know how it goes. Just stopped over at the juice bar that Nellie likes. Right there across the road here in Muddy.
Trying to find coins in the car.
Chanel's trying to find some coins so she can get a smoothie. But yeah, left town after breakfast. Oh, we went and got strepsils and some coils and gum. And now we're on our way to Chanel's great grandmother's house.
Yeah.
After the smoothie. But yeah, we're gonna spend some time with her there because we leave tomorrow. And yeah, after that I'm not sure. We'll see how we go. Depends on weather. But yeah. What are you gonna say?
I still not feeling good. It comes and goes.
We haven't done anything today really. After we got home in the last thing, I had a nap. Shanel did some editing. And that's about it. I haven't even eaten. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
My tummy's still sore.
But yeah, all in all, quiet. I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day. We do fly out tomorrow, so. No. No. But yeah, keep you updated. We just walked up to Wigmore's to get some food.
Some dinner, some burgers.
Some burgers. I've got the steak burger.
How is it?
That's good. Steak, tomato, lettuce, your basics. Now he's got the egg burger.
Which is egg,
Beef, cheese.
no cheese.
Oh no.
No cheese, just coleslaw.
Yeah. And we got some chips and some sauce and Coke.
Hot chips.
But yeah. Just what we'd eat and yeah. No,
Palito!
we haven't done any filming today.
I know, but that's because we haven't done anything today. I've been crammed over like this.
Oh wait. Crammed over like this.
All day because I got food poisoning.
Yo.
If you ever come to the Cook Islands, eat Cook Island food. Don't eat proper tourist food. They're not familiar with how to cook it.
Yep. And I have been like this all day. Sleeping. No, I took an 8 nap. But yeah, after Wigmore's we came back and we just chilled and yeah, we didn't actually do anything.
No. Well, we went for one last dip.
Oh yeah, we went for a swim, that's right, and had a shower.
I didn't swim.
Yeah, because she had a
I
tattoo.
didn't swim. I had a tattoo, but I did put my legs in, which was just a tease.
But yeah, had a nice last swim, had a shower, and that's that.
Put on washing.
Put on some washing and the last load of washing. And yeah, tomorrow it'll be a pack and get things sorted day. But yeah, that's it at the moment.
continued to die.
We have not really moved since the last clip. It is now 9:30-ish at night.
Yeah.
We've watched some Breaking Bad. We're about to watch an episode of Friends and go to bed.
Yeah. I literally... Just be careful with what you eat in any country. This is my first time getting food poisoning. And it sucks ass.
Yeah. I'm starting to feel better. Still got the runny nose and the throat sore, but found Strepsils for $16.50.
Yeah, it's gonna get shipped here. Anyone else would have just told you to go up in the bush and grab the tea leaves and come back.
Yeah. But tomorrow will be crazy because we're leaving, going to a new country.
Yeah, tomorrow's our last day.
Yeah.
That kind of makes me sad because I'm saying goodbye to family.
But yeah, anyway, catch you tomorrow.
Bye.